I'm at the Adina service departments. It's right on Northbourne Avenue in the centre of Canberra. So I got this through, it's a hotel, but I got this through an Airbnb, which is a bit cheaper than if you book it from a hotel. My Airbnb came with free parking, where if you get a hotel, you have to pay for the parking. So the Airbnb, you get your key from there.
Basement 2.
So this is the underground parking. The parking for my apartment is basement 2. So the gym, sauna and pool is on my floor.
Yeah, I just pushed the ball.
Sauna, gym, everything you need. It's got a pool, but the pool's closed. I think they're building a new pool. One. Okay, I'm all checked into my Adina service department, Airbnb, in 104. I already brought my bike and all my bags up. Just a quick look at the apartment, service department. So Airbnb, it's got everything you need. It's normal Airbnb. Large kitchen table, lounge, TV. I'm on the first floor, so this avenue here is the back of Northbourne Avenue. Balcony, chairs. There's my bike ready to go. Just got to pack it. Bedroom, large TV, toilet, bathroom, spa, shower in a spa, and I'm assuming, washing machine and dryer, everything you need for a service department, and really good. Airbnb. Alright, anyway, that's the tour of the apartment. Everything you need right in the heart of Canberra. Alright, any questions, let me know. Just leave a comment, like and subscribe. The start of my journey on my circumnavigation of Australia, but I'll make this a review video. Enjoy.